did. Hey man, what's going on, Trilly fam? I didn't do this intro yesterday. I just ended up putting the fasteners on my car and that was it. I forgot to do the intro. I forgot to say what video I was doing. I just jumped straight into it. So that's what we doing now. It's not finna be no how-to video, so don't go into this video thinking you finna get a how-to. It is kind of a how-to because I'm showing you straight through how to do it. I just ain't putting steps in it and calling it a how-to. Basically. Yeah, man, I just forgot to do an intro. Couldn't have no video without an intro. But this also a thing I forgot to say. I did order a new radiator. That should be here this week, like tomorrow type. I ordered it yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, so it should be here tomorrow. Y'all should be getting that video this week. And I ordered the fans too, and they're coming on the same day. I might just do both of those in the same video. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it go. Yeah, man, my car not starting. If it don't start, then I'm just gonna have to take it to the shop, and it might be a wiring issue. And if it is a wiring issue, like the ECU or something like that, I'm gonna just order an EMU Master Black. If you know what that is. Makes your car a beast. No cap. Yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all get back into the video. No cap about it. So man, my car down right now. As y'all can see, it's not at the correct spot it's supposed to be at. Because, whoa, it's ants all on my junk. Yo, these niggas all on my car right now. Jesus. I'm sorry if y'all eating right now, bro. It's probably nasty as hell. I mean, I just took the damn clips off this bit. But y'all didn't even see what really happened with this junk. Y'all just seen the radiator explode last video and that was it. But after that, a day later, I took the junk out and then it was overheating. It went back to high all the way, and then it went down to low to the C's when I was driving it. But after that, I cut it off, cut it back on, and the shit never started back up. So this where we at right now. All right, and this for everybody that's doing it along with me. You gonna need, of course, you gonna need this to drill into your fender. You gonna need this right here. I'm gonna show you why in a minute. Well, you should know why if you got the same things I got, the little fasteners. And you're gonna need a 1/4 drill bit. And that's what it look like on this one. That one right here. To drill into your fender, because it's the same size as what I'm finna show you. And show you why you need this right here. This right here, that is for this. Now you want to pick your spot wisely, because your spot, wherever you line it up at, gonna have to line up with the bumper. Oh shit, hold up. Before I drill into my tire and shit.
OB.
Damn, I just thought about it. I can't even turn my wheel. My fucking car not gonna start.
No, you can turn to accessories, man. Nah, I just don't got no power steering. It's just one black.
Trying to drill my goddamn finger. Should be like boom. I'm hitting something.
I know. There you go. Don't put you on your tire right there, though.
Man, god damn. Damn. That bitch in there now.
Yep. Other side.
It's probably not gonna stay. My shit not gap no more. Man.
Yeah.
You can't see behind that thing. This the first one. No more saggage in my shit, man. Now we on to the second side. I'm sure y'all know how to do it now. It ain't really that hard. You just need to drill in some damn accuracy and you should be straight. Oh god, now you got a quick release. That simple.
So ain't it something that you got down pressed to? Oh, is that
like a hood pin? Yeah. I think that's the only thing you press.
Too, though.
Alright, now I forgot to say this, but for the left side, what I'm doing right now is you got these little screws right here, and then you got this that you got to put on the back of these. You got to put that little screw, that little washer on the back of this screw, and then you got to put this on the back of this washer so you can not have this come out like y'all see. So that's what I'm doing right now. Once you got that junk in like this, that's when you want to use this right here. Put that junk in there. Hold the back. Alright, I done tightened this side up. Still got this shit right here, but I done tightened it up. And in order to get behind your fender and tighten that back thing up, you might need one of these. It's a 10mm on this side. This is the side I use, so you're gonna need a 10mm ratchet. Now we really on to the second side for real. I got a zip tie in here, but I ain't even finna undo it. I'm just finna keep it like this and then measure it like this, cause I wasn't able to do that on the other side, cause that shit was like already messed up. Finna do it like this, man. See what I'm using my stand as? A bucket. Alright, right now as y'all can see, I'm just measuring this junk to see where it's gonna be. Before you get to drilling, make sure you measure.
What are you doing, step bro?
Alright, now we need that rubber band. Oh, I gotta piss. Alright, we got the fitment on. Let me wipe that off, man. But we got the fitment on, man. Like I told y'all before, I didn't put the thing in the back. This is just, I'm just trying to see how it would look and how it would fit up. That's how the side look. It's the right side. And it's the left side right here. I ain't gonna lie, the right side more like stretched out than the left side though, but that shit's still cool. It ain't go OD. Come on. Or I could put it down, lower.
So I'll already started that bitch.
Hotbox channel. Switch in the hotbox. So when you get on camera, what you say?
YouTube is switching the hot box. You back with another smoky video.
That ass?
Rolling up. God, I was thinking about that shit earlier too.
S560 with reclining seats in the back. F150 finna bring 100 pounds of weed back. What? Where my heat at? Deuce. We just drunk a 10.
Alright, as y'all can see, man, that is how you put fasteners, quick releases on your car. That simple, that easy. A damn 2-year-old can do it.
And this is how you ghost the blunt. Come on.
Shit was not hard. I was been supposed to do this video. It was just yesterday, bro. I went home. I'm like, bro, I'm tired as fuck. The night before, bro, I ain't gonna lie. The night before, I got like 2 hours of sleep, bro. Shit was OV, bro. I think that was the night I damn left the car over here, bro. I was looking out the window. I'm like, damn. But, man, that's finna be the end of this video, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, favorite, share it by y'all know, man. Turn on post notifications so you know every time I post. I ain't gonna lie, the car down right now, but we still got content to do. We got content to fix the car. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna put it like this. Y'all don't, I yap on my videos. I ain't a Hall of Fame yapper, but if this was 2K, my yapping badge would be on a gold. I have a gold yapping badge. I ain't at Hall of Fame yet. But like I was finna say, with your situations, bro, it's just how you look at it. When this car broke down and it wouldn't start, the first thing that came to my mind, like on everything I love, the first thing that came to my mind is, bro, I gotta do a video on fixing this junk. You know what I'm saying? If something not going right and it puts a stop to what you're doing, sometimes you gotta find a way around that. You gotta, you know what I'm saying, keep a smile on your face and find the best outcome for what your situation is. Yeah, I'm finding the best outcome for my situation. I could be moping around like, damn, my car not starting, this fucked up, sad as shit, but it's like, I know I'm gonna fix this junk and I can put it on camera fixing it.
Just
so
a car.
Man, shut your bitch ass.
whoa,
Just a car.
it ain't just a car.
Yeah, look at it.
Nah, it is just a car, but I know this junk
Treat
could
you
be.
like that, bitch gonna leave somewhere. That bitch don't give a fuck.
That's how you gotta look at it, man. You just gotta make the best out of your situation, and I'm making the best out of my situation. I could be sad, mad, fucked up that my car not starting, but shit, what's on my mind is fixing this junk for content for y'all. I ain't gonna lie, so it's just how you look at it. Like I said, man, I'm gonna see you on this video, man. No cap.
Lay up with a ride and night off. Spend the night and I'm fucking the lights off. Spray the drums out your car like some lights off.